That's a live video?
No, it's frozen because if I move it, I'm afraid I might lose it. Yeah, that's live now.
Yeah, I think it is felt it.
He's a big one, isn't he? Looks
A
like
little
good
on the big
size.
side, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, rolling. He's kind of rolling over now. Oh, trying to find its arm. Okay, let's go back to the... That's the heart right here beating.
Mhm.
And you guys want to know what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Looks like a boy.
Good one.
There he is. Right there is between his legs.
He's beautiful.
There's his little hands and arms.
Mhm. Have you felt him moving, Jana?
Not quite a lot yet, but I wasn't sure at first. I thought it was like gas.
That's something.
Mm-hmm.
Two little fingers. Little arm waving around.
Mhm. Look at that.
It's
I was
moved.
just reading it all in there about the different, you know, the eyes, the ears are really, this is a big month for developing.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, little feet. They're so cute.
They are.
What do you think, Grandma?
I'm just going to look at your ovaries.
Okay.
that's so nice, huh?